Hi, my name is John Herbert. I'm the founder of Johnny Battle, and we do one thing, and that's embroider apparel for businesses. Johnny Battle was started a couple of years ago, and I always had this dream and this passion for a mail order company. We could have one location people could buy nationwide from us. Came up with a whole bunch of ideas and settled on embroidery. And the reason why is because the machines just were fascinating to us. When we go look at our vendors, we were just enamored by watching these machines work and just loved the whole process. It's interesting because the customer has a story behind their logo. I mean, there's a story behind them. And when they're wearing something that's so personable, and we like to help them share their dream and their vision with kind of their brand and their clothing. Instead of just shipping out the product, we put so much effort into the tape, the sticker that goes on the box, how this package looks, and try to really dramatize the process of opening the package when the customer gets it, instead of just cutting open the box and your garments are kind of thrown in there haphazardly. And in turn, they tell other people about us. What I like about Sticker Giant is that they're not just about selling stickers. There's so much more to them than just stickers. And that's what I like about them so much. There's a connection with the company beyond just the product.